Hello, so we're going to set this up from the ground with the throw line. So what we've done is been very pleased with ourselves and got a fantastic throw all the way up a good 12 feet off the ground. Other end's come down. And what we're going to do is take the bag off. Pass it through the pulley. And then pull the whole rest of the line out of the bag till the end of that one. I've cut it short, you'll be glad to hear. Tie a bowline in here. Make sure it's not tangled. Pass this other end through the ring. Start pulling it up. Just before it leaves the ground, make sure that's sat in the pulley wheel. Make sure you've got hold of, make sure this bowline is at the branch before that leaves the ground. Otherwise you're not going to reach that to untie it. This is a one-take show, by the way. So up it goes. All the way up there. Wow, so high. Pull it in, and that's now located over the branch. And then you're gonna undo your bowline, tie your rope on that, pull it through the pulley. It couldn't be easier.